Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a to-do list for your lessons and classes on Eduaide AI. So let us guide you through it. So access your account on Eduaide AI and click into history here to see or to gain access to your list of lessons in your classes. So pick the one you would like to go with. I will go with History of Ancient Rome. Click into these three dots here and select Load to Workspace and click into that pencil icon here. Now, as you can see, I added already a couple of bullet points to that checklist here or to-do list. Let me remove these and start from the beginning. So what you will need to do, guys, is press or enter slash and then the command to do. May it suffice if you simply enter 2 and you will see to-do list as a variable command in that list of suggested commands here. And enter your first bullet point of your checklist, like prepare topic list or something like that. Press enter to access or to skip to the next bullet point. Schedule, timeline or something like that, and so on and so forth, guys. So press enter again, enter the next point, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready and would like to use your to-do list, guys, for yourself, for example, or print it for your students in your class, click into that checkmark button. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you can share your lesson, for example, or export it on your device to use it on your PC or for a presentation or to provide your student with it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.